So what then have been the main themes in U.S. policymaking historically and today? Well, it's incremental reform and conflict. Policymaking today is plagued by gridlock, partisan differences, ideological disputes, even concerns over funding. Incremental policymaking thus makes the smartest choice for most policymakers, as it's the middle course between comprehensive policy reform and no action policy analysis, basically just maintaining the status quo and hoping to see if the policy problem disappears. Remember, the incremental model breaks down the decision-making process into small steps. You move through these steps slowly based upon experience, intuition, guessing, and using a variety of techniques. This process is also known as muddling through. Basically, you're feeling your way through the dark to get to the light switch. This is the dominant policymaking style because a small number of alternatives and consequences are considered at each stage of the decision-making process. As a result, the costs of making a decision are minimized. Remember, policymakers suffer from a scarcity of time and resources, and in many cases, expertise. So each step of this process is only proposing a small change. The immediate effect thus is minimal and usually not disruptive. Because of this, the incremental model is very simple and very flexible. It tends to operate in the short-term time horizon. You make small changes from the status quo, and because of this, it's often easier to reach a consensus between these different stakeholders, those that are divided by partisan gridlock and ideology.